Thank you so much, dancers. Please stand by for your next dance. Okay, dancers, if you're ready, here's your second dance. Your dance, the rumba. Thank you so much, dancers. And now, here's your third and final dance. Your dance, the child.
I got 7 nights to rock. I got 7 nights to roll. 7 nights I'm gonna have a girl. 7 nights with a different girl. 7 nights to rock. I got 7 nights to roll. Monday I set the Susie Ball. Tuesday at the Young Dance Hall. Wednesday at the Roadhouse Inn. Thursday at the Lion Den. Friday at the Catabox. Saturday, Sunday, everybody rock. 7 nights to rock. I got 7 nights to roll. 7 nights I'm gonna have it work. 7 nights with a different girl. 7 nights to rock. I got 7 nights to roll.
Thank you so much, dancers.